So now my second one is going to be this sparkle girl made out of polymer clay and Tyvek. I'm going to add some gold leaf here on the top, and I just recently added some here, so I'm going to do that again. And this right here is some Angelina fibers for sparkle. I already painted this corrugated paper and glued it to the tag board. Like your envelopes that you get, that's that Tyvek. They even have them in blank envelopes you can buy, smaller pieces. And then you can put little dots of paint on there, and then you use your heat gun, and then you get all these little cool shrink bubble from the heat gun. This is shrink wrap, but it's the transparent ones that they use that comes on a roll. So I'm going to go ahead and get ready to assemble the piece together. I have some fiber paste where I painted it with some watercolor ink, and I thought that this part here on this fabric was really cool, so I'm going to cut it off and add that to the piece. And I already have a seine, and I have my Tyvek paper all ready. So let me go ahead and get this glued down. I'm going to go ahead and glue everything down with this extra heavy golden gel. And I'll start with layering the fiber paste. That's how I'll go ahead and get started, and then I'll show you what the end result looks like. Be right back. So I have everything glued down in place. Glue is still wet. So I'm just going to go ahead and add a couple of, I'm going to go ahead and add some gold leaf in this area where I'm laying down some glue. I have some gold leaf. So I have the gold leaf down. Just let it dry. So we'll just go ahead and let the piece dry and start with number 3 of 4 journal tags to finish. Thanks for coming by and watching. I hope to see you again on the next one. Until then, stay crafty, be creative. God bless. Soda's Creative Corner. See you on the next one. Bye for now.